Hello and welcome to Apuntes de Español. In today's lesson, we will study the preterite tense. The preterite tense in Spanish is used to talk about actions that occur in the past and have already been completed. Here are some examples of when to use it. We will use it when we are talking about completed actions in the past. We use the preterite tense to talk about things we did and have already finished. For instance, ayer caminé por el parque. We use the preterite tense to talk about specific moments in the past. If we want to talk about something we did at a specific time, we use the preterite tense. As for instance, in the example, en 2020 viajé a México. And finally, we will use the preterite tense to speak that actions that happened at a certain number of times. If we want to say how many times we did something in the past, we also use the preterite tense. For instance, el mes pasado leí 3 libros. To conjugate the preterite tense, we are going to divide the verbs into 2 groups. Those that end in AR and those that end in ER on IR. So get ready. To conjugate the verbs ending in AR, simply remove the AR ending and add the following endings: haste, o, hemos, hablasteis, hablaron. And to conjugate the verbs that ends with ER or IR, simply remove the ER or IR ending and add the following endings: iste, io, imos, isteis, hieron. In here, I give you the opportunity to practice with some examples. As I said before, just focusing on translating the verb, find the stem, la raíz, that's what you have left once you take the ending, and then add the ending that corresponds to the AR or ER-IR section. As you can see in these examples, I work comes from the verb trabajar, the stem is trabaj, and then I is the subject, therefore the ending I will have to use is e. I just put together trabaj and e, and I got trabajé. Please notice that the accent means that the intensity is in the vowel. Okay? Trabajé. Siguiente. You ate comes from the verb to eat. Comer. Bien. The stem of the verb comer is com. That's what I have left once I take out the ER, right? And the ending for you, since it's end in ER and it's you, will be iste, as we have right there. Therefore, I just need to put together com and iste, and I have comiste. So, take some time to do these examples and check the answers. I hope that you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.